In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable margin investing on your Robinhood account through the website. Before we get started, make sure you have your Robinhood login credentials ready and that you're accessing the official Robinhood website from a secure internet connection. Disabling margin investing is a good idea if you want to simplify your investing strategy, reduce your risk, or just avoid borrowing funds for your trades. Whatever your reason, following these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. First, begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Robinhood website. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in using your account credentials. Take a moment to enter your username and password carefully, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete those verification steps as well. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see the Account option, which is where you manage your account settings and preferences. Go ahead and click on this Account button. This will open a menu with various options related to your Robinhood account. From the list of options that appear, find and select the one labeled Margin Investing. This section is where Robinhood provides all the information related to your margin account details, including your margin status and settings. If you're unfamiliar, margin investing is a feature that allows you to borrow money from Robinhood to buy more securities. While it can amplify gains, it also increases your losses. So it's wise to review whether this feature suits your financial goals. Now that you've entered the margin investing section, look closely for the option that says Disable Margin Investing. This might be a button or a link, typically found within the margin investing page. Click on this option to proceed. Depending on your account status, Robinhood may prompt you to confirm your decision or give you more information about what disabling margin investing will mean for your account. Read through any prompts or warnings carefully to ensure you understand the implications, such as the possibility of needing to adjust any positions that use margin at the moment. Once you've reviewed all the information and confirmed your choice, your margin investing feature will be disabled. After this is complete, your account will no longer allow you to borrow funds for trades, helping you stay within your own deposited balance for investments. So that's all there is to it. Disabling margin investing on the Robinhood website is a straightforward process that gives you more control over your investment approach. Always remember to review your investment settings regularly and make changes that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Thanks for watching and happy investing.